Good luck.
The fish escaped.
Adam, it smells awful here. You need to wash this place. Bleach the floors.
I'm struggling to breathe.
It's awful, man. Come on, man, what are you waiting for? She cleans it in 30 seconds. Hygiene? What hygiene? They eat a lot of frog here in Cambodia. Man, where have we ended up? Unbelievable. This place needs to be sealed immediately. Hello to everyone. We're back with another wonderful episode. We're visiting your homes from Siem Reap, Cambodia. We're at Phsar Lo Tam Thame Market today. This is a very interesting place. A market in Siem Reap where you won't see any tourists. Years ago, I came here, and today he risked his life to enter again, because it smells very bad inside, and I don't think the smell has changed. It's still coming out. Let's watch the video. Please comment, like, and share before the video. I'd appreciate it. Our energy's explosive today. We'll go through the country. All right, let's go. Now we're about to enter the market. There are tulip vendors here, and over there you can see lotus flowers. These, my friends, are lotus flowers. The lotus flower is truly very beautiful.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, man.
Let's talk a bit about Cambodia. It has 17 million people. It's one of Asia's 5 least visited countries. 3.5 to 4 million tourists visit annually. All of them come for Angkor Wat in Siem Reap. Besides that, there aren't many places to visit. Other cities are somewhat problematic security-wise. This is the side of the market. Look at this! What a great butcher shop!
Bak, gel.
Look, come Serdan, mumbar, and hearts. Here's mumbar. There are pig intestines and such. There's pig liver and pork. They even sell Serdan here.
Ay,
Oh, there's a Muslim sister here. Is she Muslim? Oh, she's Muslim.
selamünaleyküm. How are you, abla? This is beef or lamb? Beef. How much?
They also have dried meat here. And look, there's pasterma available, everyone. This is truly quite interesting. It's 65,000 a kilo. That's $15. Look at her knife, how sharp it is. This is also beef. And these ladies are Muslim. The counter's not too clean, of course, but at least you can get reliable meat here.
Thank you so much.
This is the Spice Bazaar. They have all kinds of different sauces here. A pig's head. Look, friends. It's completely black with flies. Oh man, tell me, where did we end up? Where did we end up, friends? All right, let's keep moving, no queue. Aunt Halim is selling pork pate.
Hello.
Do they have kebab? They have pork belly over there. And there are sausage makers. These people, they got their training in Kayseri and places like that. They are very much experts when it comes to sausage. This is the seafood stand right here. And they've also got some really fresh shrimp.
Hello, good morning. Oh,
Ooh, the goods are super fresh, huh? Look at the squid, Cambodian squid. Small baby squid. There are oysters. There are jumbo shrimp. And these are $4 or $5 a kilo here. Seafood is very cheap because it's in Cambodia. On the right, there's another nice fresh stand. There's a chicken vendor. They eat a lot of chicken feet here. My brother will make a nice chicken feet stir fry for dinner. Wings, thighs, breasts, all mixed up. Flies are flying all around. There are black-legged chickens over there. This is quite an interesting shop. What's that? Is it a quail? I think it is. Small and so incredibly tiny. She's cleaning it, man. Look at the butcher. What a pro, huh? She cleans it in 30 seconds. She takes out all its organs. Oh my goodness, interesting. It's really quite interesting, man. chicken has about 5 days left. It's ruined. Look at these quails. We are in a market where we are guaranteed to be poisoned. Hygiene? Forget about it. No refrigerators, no preservatives. The air temperature is 40 degrees right now. You see how much I'm sweating, man. But people put raw chickens under the heat in this hot weather. They're selling raw fish and meat. Okay, red meat might be fine, but chicken will knock you down and kill you. Seriously, just look at this plate. It's a crying shame, honestly, a real waste. Here we have pork sausage. They make these finger-shaped sausages from the pig's leg. It's made from minced pork. Oh my goodness, look at this. Just look at this right here. It's stuffed intestines, that's mumbar dolma. And then stuffed tripe, that's Karen dolma. It's absolutely pitch black. But this is a place that sells halal products. Here's ball sausage. They call this marble sukuk. It's made from beef meat. They wrap the casing into small round balls. There's beef, dried pastrami chips, and more. The market hasn't changed at all, huh? It's been the same for years, this place. Over there, they're making something. They've mixed coconut with sweet potato. What, was this okonomiyaki? It was in Japan, you know. Look at these grapes, so plump and juicy. Just like plums, exactly. So crisp and crunchy. I wish I had the money to buy them. Dried fish. These are sea-based, too, from Sivas. They dry them, then you boil them with salt and water, and then you bury them. It's cheap. All of these are foods from times of scarcity. Many of them were discovered during periods of war. And over here, we have black-footed organic chickens. And look, pickled crab. Oh, my stomach's turning. It smells so awful. It's absolutely foul. The chicken seller. After these chickens are cut, they put a yellow dye on them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, for heaven's sake, what in the world is this? It smells absolutely disgusting.
It's awful. I'm having difficulty breathing.
This is awful, man. I swear I'm barely holding back from throwing up.
And we're always trying to avoid the bikes.
Be careful, they will hit you, brother. And here there are all sorts of different dried fish. I think those are piranha. They've cut them open and drying them out in the sun. It's scorching hot, just like in Cambodia. What's that? Probably an eel, I guess. It's different. What's over there, man? Oh, leather, I guess. Oh my goodness, sis. Look at that liver. It's pitch black. Covered in tar. Oh, how completely rotten it is. Eat this, and you'll be instantly paralyzed. What are they selling here? Oh, it's peanuts. This region's peanuts are quite famous. They're selling them right next to pig intestines. Let's just step inside for a moment. Carpfish. Look, come take a look at the crabs. They're all still very much alive. These ones are for pickling. Look, one of them is dying right here. It's foaming at the mouth right now. Most of them are breathing their last. They are making pickles out of these. Look, for example, we have frogs right here. Frog meat is very commonly eaten here in Cambodia. Flies are covering all of these containers. Let's just keep moving along. Hot chili peppers. Chinese lettuce.
Öf. Öf.
What a terrible smell this is. Come here and smell it, Adam.
Nope, I don't want to smell it.
Öf.
Hello?
Hello.
Look, my older sisters are over here. They're having a barbecue. They're eating some delicious fish for lunch.
Hello.
My brother is right here. Just take a look at how he's cleaning all this fish.
Fish. Which fish? Sea bass.
The bonito.
Vay be.
Have a good one.
Ay. Oha.
What happened?
It jumped out. It is making its escape.
Fish on the run.
There are catfish here as well. What a terrible state this place is in. You need to clean this place, clean it up. This market is absolutely filthy. It's a dump. My sister's cleaning. Hello.
Hello.
I'm telling you, the market is so filthy. You need to do some cleaning. You must wash all these areas, the floors, with bleach. It doesn't work like that. Well, this is not pleasant at all. Come here, man. What is this? Is it a worm? The shrimp are so small. They are drying these. They eat these shrimp as a snack food. The crabs are here. My sister is scrubbing them. No hygiene here. Come on, man.
He seems to be waiting for me. Go on, bro.
Come on, old man. What are you waiting for here? Are you gonna rob us? Let's go that way. He's closed up, look. He's sold out. He's coming back, man.
Arafai.
Here we also have Aunt Ilhami, the meatball specialist. She has prepared some delicious fish meatballs.
Hello. Vay be.
And she's also made some curried meatballs. There are crabs here. Oh, wow, a snail. Come over here and see this amazing snail. Crabs and snails and shrimp, you see. And also dried fish. These are very, very popular here. They string about 5 or 6 of them onto a long rope. They dry them out in the sun, and then they eat them. It has a really quite interesting look. Look, over here, there's a set of 12, a whole dozen. And over there, you can see pork sausage again. Ooh, look at that eel over there. These are really big frogs. Look at our sister. Oh my, what is that? Frog. Eel, little frog. We're having frog for dinner tonight. People really love this frog, by the way. They say its flavor is just like chicken. Look, this is the live fish market area. All the fish you see here are still alive. As you can see, it's swimming, man. They put a net on it so it wouldn't escape.
Hello.
Interesting. Oh, look at these ones. They're all trying to get away. Look, here is a bug seller. She's selling cockroaches right here. She's also selling crabs. Every single one of them is alive. She's separating the merchandise by size. And based on that, she's raising their value and price. They eat them alive right here. They cook these small crabs in oil. They eat them, shells and all.
I think I stepped on one.
Oh no.
It was just walking on the ground.
Ah.
Here is snail seller. Look at the catfish, what whiskers it has.
Üf.
Ibrahim, the smell is intolerable.
This here is fermented pickle, you see. Look, they've actually pickled the crab, and this is how they're eating it. And those fish over there, they really resemble mackerel. It's absolutely disgusting. Really disgusting. It's incredibly dirty. Me eating this? Forget about it, no way. Honestly, it's truly awful. It's completely unbearable. Is this even curried? Curried fish, really? Curried fish. This place needs to be sealed immediately. This is urgent. Where is the Ministry of Health? Look, there's raw lung here. Anyone from Antep knows this well? This is exactly what's used to make liver kavurma. And over there, there's pig's blood. It's frozen. Ugh, I'm feeling nauseous. We have to get out of here, or I'll throw up right here. It's absolutely awful. I wanted it to be a short, fun video, friends. We showed you this 10 to 15 minute market. If you come, stop by. I'll leave its location in the description. As you can see, it was very local. No other tourists were inside. When they see us, they were surprised. You'll feel Cambodia's spirit in this market. Your soul will also be torn out, by the way. Thank you all very much for watching this far, appreciating it, and taking your time. I'm waiting for your comments. Let's not forget to like and subscribe. I thank all my viewers in India and Indonesia. I'm sending hugs from Cambodia to all of you. Love.